the heaven of earth and the stunning country, undoubtedly Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum, this is Nurul Absar. Now I am talking about the beautiful country Bangladesh in front of all of you. Let's get started. Bangladesh, officially the People's Republic of Bangladesh, is a Southeast Asian country. It is 8th most populous country in the world with a population of 165 million and in an area of 1,48,560 square kilometers, making it most densely populated country in the world. Bangladesh is very small, but it is overpopulated. Bangladesh shares his boundary with different countries, mainly in India. With India, we share north, east, and west part. With Myanmar, we share southeast part, and the Bay of Bengal to the southern part of Bangladesh. Bengalis make up 98% of the total population. The Muslim majority people in Bangladesh. It makes it world third largest Muslim majority country in the world. Dhaka, the capital city and the largest city of Bangladesh. It is full of resources. It is also the hub of economical, cultural, and political. Chittagong is the largest seaport and second largest city in our country. Bangladesh tourist attractions includes waterfalls, sea beach, hills, natural and historical places, wildlife of various species. In Chittagong division, we have world largest sandy beach. It's very much natural and